In this video, we'll be telling about how to add location in your Facebook story. For this, first what we need to do is open Facebook application. After that, above you can see one plus button. Click on this plus button. When you are clicking on that, you can see story option. Click on this button, and when you are clicking on that, you will reach your gallery. From gallery, select the photo or video which you want to upload as story. For example, I am selecting this photo. After that, above you can see stickers option. Click on stickers. When you are clicking on that, you can see location option. Click on location. When you are clicking on that, you can see some locations. If you want to turn on your GPS, you can do that. If you are doing that, here you can see correct locations also. Anyways, from this you can select whichever location you want. If you want to search for any places, search for that place here. Anyways, for example, I am selecting this location. After that, if you want to adjust this location size, you can do that. For that, with 2 fingers, you can make it large or small. And if you want to move this, you can move this location and place wherever you want. Anyways, after that, you can share this story. For that, click on this share button and that story will be shared. So this way you can easily add location in your Facebook story. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.